Hey friends, today we're making a cozy chickpea bowl. It's simple, filling, and perfect for those days when you just want something warm and comforting. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need canned chickpeas, olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, cooked rice, roasted sweet potato cubes, sautéed kale, and sliced avocado. Warm the chickpeas with olive oil and spices until they're lightly toasted and evenly coated with flavor. Let's build the bowl. Add the rice and spread it out gently to create a warm, even foundation for everything else. Start with the chickpeas, then layer on the sweet potatoes, kale, and sliced avocado to finish the bowl. Warm, colorful, and full of goodness, this cozy chickpea bowl is perfect for easy weeknight meals. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.